We've got 2023 Ram ProMaster 1500 3.6 Pinstar engine. We have a problem with the steering control switches, the cruise control and the instrument cluster controls. Now, when we first checked it, we checked the clock spring, see if the clock spring can hold the load from both ends, which we had, so the clock spring is not the problem, it's alright. Now we found out that we're not getting power on the red wires for both controls. So we're like, alright, let's check which one should it be, and apparently it's this white blue wire. This white blue wire comes from the BCM, from this connector. It's this one right here, and the circuit is called F30, I believe, and it controls the window switches on both sides, the passenger and driver, controls the steering wheel controls, powers them when the ignition is on, and controls other stuff as well. I'm not pretty sure, but the problem is it's a 2023, it's a fairly new vehicle. We couldn't have any wiring diagrams, any proper wiring diagrams to make our life easier. So I went here and I did a load test between this connector, I believe it's I007A, I believe, and C1 for the clock spring, and the load test passed. So my problem is from the other end of the connector, which is this. Right? Now this is routed under the carpet, goes to both sides, to the passenger side and then the driver's side, straight to the BCM. And when I load tested, well, it failed. So my problem is between this connector and this connector. So we started looking where it could be pinched, broken. So we're like, yeah, it's time to remove the seat. And what do you know? Let me see if it can focus here. There you can see the corrosion on the white blue wire. You can see some other corrosion started getting to other wires as well. So we're gonna be removing the carpet, clean everything, fix all the wires that got damaged. But let me ask you a question. How many hours do you think you need to figure this out? Because for us, it took us a little bit of time, I would say, because we didn't have any diagrams. But yeah, please let me know in the comments.